Zach here. Let me showing you how to make a watermarker for Camtasia Studio using Photoshop. It's pretty simple to do. As you can show you here, I got one made already for my DS videos I'm making. I got here another one here. It's pretty much standard watermarker in the middle of the screen. This is more of an overlay than a watermarker because it's got a lot of stuff in there. You actually have an actual watermarker here. It's a little tiny thing you can move around. Let's make an overlay version of it. Go to New, 640 by 480. Standard YouTube video size nowadays, I guess. Alright, step one, we're going to make a new layer and turn off the background. Very important for later. Then using the right click on the text tool, you'll see it's a bunch of options here. We're going to be using the horizontal type mask tool because we're doing horizontal text. Then you select anywhere on the screen and type in what you want. Then hit the enter key. You can see we got like a selection made now. We're going to take the paint bucket fill tool and fill it in with the color of text. I'm using white because, you know, white text is pretty much default, I guess. Or you could do black and white outline, don't matter. I'm using white on black. And then Control D to deselect it. Now we can't really see it too well because we ain't got like a drop shadow on outline, so let's do that. Alright, drop shadow. You can see it's used, I guess, makes it like less obvious that it's a watermarker. It's just kind of sitting there in the background. Just do 35 degree. Let me turn the background back on so you can see it better. There we go. So you can see it's like you can tell, you can read it, but it's less noticeable. I prefer to use the stroke. Change the color to black outline. 3 pixel stroke, I guess. Important to note is that my character set the 30 point bold and Arial. Just looks the nicest to me. Then turn the background back off. You can pretty much just move this to wherever you want it. Most people put it in the middle. Some either top, center, bottom. Just depends on, I guess, your video you want to make. This one should put it in the middle. I like the bottom better. Then save it as a PNG file. This is more of like an overlay watermarker. I don't think it's technically a watermarker. Maybe it is. I don't know. But to do it like an actual like watermarker, we'll just make a new thing. I guess 360 by 50. That's about right. Pretty much do the same thing. Make a new layer. Horizontal task mask tool. Horizontal type mask tool. Type it out. Enter. Fill in with white. Control D. Add the outline, either your drop shadow or your stroke. save it. Same way, save as a PNG file. So if you save it as a bitmap or a JPEG, that it'll make a background where everything is transparent and fill in with white or green. It just looks ugly, and it'll ruin your video. Now that we got this done, let's open up Camtasia Studio. Let's import. Let's see. I don't know if it's available. Here's a DS video I'm actually working on right now. It's a short one though. For this, I'm doing it so I get the black box around it, but for the most part you probably won't have that unless you're actually doing like a weird resolution of video. And then we're going to produce video as custom production settings. Then pick your format, probably WMV or AVI if you're planning to upload on YouTube. Best quality, present video size. Alright, now you get to the watermarker. You enable it, go to options, and choose your watermarker. Let's see, example. For the alright, as you can see here, this is the bottom watermarker one. You can adjust the size and stuff here. Want to offset it a little bit, you can. You can even change the opacity. Can't pronounce words. Probably 50 is probably good. You have full blown, but I think 50-ish. That's a good one right there. You can see fairly well, and it doesn't distract from the video too much. And then okay. Or if you want to get real fancy, you can use the actual watermark, the little tiny one. Scale, change. You can mess around with the size. Pretty much change the position of wherever you want because it's so small. And you can start messing with the offset tools. It's pretty much up to you. Or you get the other overlay, the one in the middle. That's pretty much whatever one you used. Go back and open up that. If my DS ones here, I have the ones on the side for black box, which is I'm gonna use that on this one because it's got that stuff on the side there.